If you've got a septic tank under a patch of dirt, making that space look good without messing up the tank can be tricky, but totally doable. So, here's the deal. Avoid planting anything with deep or aggressive roots, because roots can crack or clog your septic system, which you definitely don't want. Stick to shallow-rooted plants like hostas, which are tough and bounce back easily if you need to move them. Fill in the rest with annual flowers that only last a season, so if you ever need to dig up the tank for maintenance, you won't lose much. Using mulch around your plants keeps the soil healthy and looks neat without adding weight. You can also use containers or half barrels filled with fabric pots to keep things mobile. When it's time for septic work, just roll up the sod or move the containers instead of tearing everything apart. Keep any hardscaping minimal and easy to remove. No giant rocks or heavy stuff right above the tank. This way, your septic area looks nice but stays safe and accessible. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tank landscaping is planting trees or shrubs with deep roots right above the tank. Roots can seriously damage pipes and tanks, leading to expensive repairs. Fix this by sticking to shallow-rooted plants like hostas or ferns. Another common issue is putting heavy objects like large rocks or permanent hardscaping on top of the tank, which can crush it over time. Instead, use lightweight mulch or movable containers. Lastly, people often plant perennials that are hard to move, so when it's time to access the tank, they end up destroying their garden. Always use annuals or container plants so you can easily clear the area when needed. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know all about safe septic tank landscaping and maintenance. Contractors also get a chance to connect with real homeowners looking for reliable help, making it a win-win for everyone involved.